Are you risking fines because Klaviyo defaults allow unlimited texts? Learn how to enable the messaging limit in under 2 minutes. We'll open your profile settings, go to text message and sender preferences, enable the messaging limit under state law frequency limits, and save. All right, first, click on your profile to get things rolling. Then, from there, click on Settings to move forward. Once you're in Settings, click on the Text Message tab. Next, click on Sender Preferences to continue. Scroll to the bottom of the page. Look for State Law Frequency Limits. Click the Enable Messaging Limit box. Finally, click Save to finish up. Nice work! If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.